Welcome back to the Blue Garage, guys. I'm Greg, and we have the ZR2 behind you. This channel isn't always about winning. Sometimes, you know, we take some L's. Just last week while we were doing a shoot, we were having some fun in two-wheel drive out in the sandy desert, as you see in some of my reels. You got to see the good part. We'll be dropping in some of the bad part in this video, I guarantee it. We tried using the treads to get out, and believe it or not, we did not get out on our own, even in 4-low. With the front and rear lockers on, we were stuck pretty good. So what this video is a simple unboxing video for LASFIT floor mats and putting the new ones in, because clearly these aren't cutting it anymore. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and follow along, hit that like button, and let's get started, guys. We won't need these anymore. They'll serve as trophies in the meantime. Got the floor mats. We got both, obviously the front and the back. And then I also forgot to mention, we also have the bed liner, the brand new LASFIT bed liner. So let me show you that real quick. Nice, heavy duty. This thing is pretty thick, pretty durable material. It's gonna be nice whenever I throw my golf clubs in the back. They won't slide around as much. So this is gonna fill out the entire bedside. I never thought I needed one until, you know, you throw the golf clubs in the back and then you forget that they're in there for a couple weeks. You go back and they're way back, slid all the way in the back of the bed. So this is gonna be very convenient for me. Let's get this in. Got the driver's side floor mat. In the meantime, I put the stock Chevrolet floor mats in just to keep everything clean. So we'll get rid of those, move the seat all the way back just so I can pull this out. Throw the new one in. And it'll clip into the stock clips. And over time, it'll lay flat. Give it some time, but looks good. Fits nice and snug, covers all your edges, keeps everything clean, guys. Let's continue with the passenger side. Same thing here, just pushing the seat back. Again, nice and snug. Nothing to clip into on the floorboard here, but just goes right on top. Nice and clean, fits very snug, covers all your edges again. And for the back. So I found for the back, it's easiest to just fold them in half, as they teach you in grade school, hot dog style. If I can grab it right there. And then slide it into place. Again, it hugs the entire interior. Love these. I think this is my third or fourth set of LASFIT floor mats. I had two in Big Blue that I went through. I got rid of the first one because I had the Z71. In my head, I liked those more at some point, but then I decided to go back with LASFIT because of the durability, the flexibility. I like the one-piece floor mat in the back where it was two pieces in these with the stock set. So these, and the coloring of these, much darker, and I love that with a black interior. Everything just needs to be a dark black, not like a grayish black that fades over time. These are very easy to clean, as you saw in a couple of my reels, and whenever they are clean, they're pitch black. They look great. So quick, easy install, guys. That's really it. bed liner's installed, and as you can see, it hugs just about every square inch of the bed. I mean, it is nice and snug fitting, fits all the grooves, doesn't cover any of your hooks, goes over the wheel well, everything is covered. Couldn't be happier with it, guys. LASFIT does offer this same mat for just about any truck, any bed size, you name it. Just look it up, see if they have one for you. Highly recommend it. I originally was against any bed mats just because I have the Rhino lining already, so why do I need a bed mat? Keeps things from sliding around. Very convenient. Again, be nice for my golf clubs back here. They're not going to slide around as much, so I'm super stoked with this install. Pretty easy. Obviously, anybody can do this on their own, so go ahead and get yours.
When I get in, I take a shower, read a book and feel empowered. Smoking on that sour got me counting down the hours, thinking of all the shit that they could do but won't allow us. Then I realized they all some cowards.
All right, so the way we got stuck, we were having some fun two-wheel driving out in the desert, and we had the drone above us circling around, having a blast, kicking up a bunch of sand, and we decided to stop so we could reposition the drone. And as we did that, I was like, you know what, it'd be fun if I dug in and two-wheel drive, and pulled myself out, as you guys have seen hopefully on Instagram and throughout my other reels that I've released. I like digging into the sand and pulling out. This truck does it just fine 99% of the time. However, we were in some really soft sand that time, and as I went to pull out, rear end was sunk way down in, and we couldn't get back up there with even 4 low and all front and rear lockers on. So it was a challenge to say the least. We had to call buddy and get pulled out. Again, it's not all W's here. This was an L. We tried using the floor mats as traction. We were in too deep, but it was all fun. Great memories. We're here. We're alive today. We had a good time, and we're shooting more content for you guys. In the future, I will definitely take out some safety equipment with it and make sure a buddy is nearby to pull me out and we can assist one another. So yeah, I got to get with the sponsors and see what I can do for some off-road equipment to be safer next time. Because who knows, I mean, this is right behind my house. If we were in a worse position, could have been stuck there for days. 2 reminders, 2 trophies that, you know, first time getting stuck, I'll never forget. It was a good time still. We still had fun with it. If you've made it this far, please don't leave without hitting that subscribe button, hitting that like button, and that alert button for future videos. Hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for next time. I'm Greg, and this was the Blue Garage. Take care, guys.